Okay, next part. That's a pillow. And there's something in there besides a pillow. Some kind of a cover, it feels like. It's very big. The top. I don't know. Make a top right there. Kicker cover. 4-speed big twin. Early, but not too early. So I paid way too much for it. Kicker side cover, yeah, no shit. Chrome plated, which I'm not a big fan of. Harley kicker cover has a big recess around in here. Aftermarket ones do not. This has the early style low snout on it. They call it a pig snout. It sticks down way low. So that means it's an early cover. This is probably late 60s, early 70s. Excuse me, been chrome plated. There's no casting numbers on the inside here, so I know it's not too early. And it's already broken like they usually are right here and here. So put a little tack wheel on the back side, put some bush in there, it'll work for a while. So if you want an original looking bike, you put the early cover on it. I like them look a little better. The later ones, the drain plug's way up high here. It's more of a rounded snout. This looks older because it is older. So standard 4-speed big twin part. Goes way back. Why does this not have the titty in there? Should be a little ledge up on here that, like a little fin that sticks down. It's an oil catcher and lubricates your throwout bearing. That's weird. So that means this is not early at all. They changed the throwout bearing in '74, so I'm guessing this cover is '74 and later. You get that big ball bearing, throwout bearing, big huge one. That one had the dripper on it. They went to that little waffle Torrington bearing on the end. That was '74. They probably eliminated a dripper. So I'm guessing this is mid to late 70s. So like it's not early, that's for sure. But still a nice looking cover. Not too bad. Looks nice on the outside. Like I said, it's broken, but that can be fixed. Alright, there you go.